is popping, yo? Today is Thursday, November 26, 2020, Thanksgiving Day. We got a Thanksgiving Day Tabata grinding workout. Another one today, of course, why not? It's Turkey Day. You're gonna be eating your carbs and your turkey. Turkey's actually good for you. Good lean protein, so eat some turkey. Eat more turkey if you need to, no problem. You're gonna get shredded and grinded anyway, so who cares? Anyway, today, of course, 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest, 12 exercise equals 1 round, 3 rounds, 18 minutes, 6 minutes a round, simple. So just in case you guys don't know, and I post this in the descriptions, I do them in sections of 4 exercises, so 4, 4, 4. And usually at the top of each 4, I do some sort of cardio. At the bottom of each 4, I try to do some kind of abs. And in between, we mix it up. So that's pretty much the system, I guess you could say. So I got my band on right here. You see that? Where is it at? My purple band, which is the tight one. We're gonna use this for the first set of 4 exercises. So get your band on, get ready. Thanksgiving Day. Second out of 3 or 4, what do you call it? Hurdles to get over. First was Halloween, all the all the yucky stuff, candy, boom. Next, Thanksgiving, boom. Next, Christmas, get over that. Next, New Year's, boom. The rest of the year, the rest of the 2021, you're good to go, except maybe Valentine's Day if you eat a lot of chocolate, like me, of course. So, anyway, let's get started with another Tabata grinder. Yeah, grind it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So first thing we got is band squat touchdown. So we're gonna squat touchdown. Squat, touch the ground. I don't know how far back I can go here. Squat, that's it. Keep the band taut. Squat, touchdown. Come on, get one more. There you go. Next, monster walk. So keep this band on. We're gonna walk up, forward, and walk backward with the band. So we're gonna go over this. Don't slip on the mat if you have your mat anywhere. You're gonna go up and out, and hold the band. And backwards. So back and out, back, out, back, out. Nice. Next we got side to side. So we're gonna get down into a sort of mini squat and touch out like this. One side, go down for 10 seconds, come back the other side. Use your arms too, 10. That's it, come back. Trust me, your legs are gonna thank you, and so will your glutes. That's it. Woo! Now we got band squat. Band squat. Plate. Twister. So we're gonna get a squat, hold, and twist with the plate. So keep your core tight. Get down in that squat, keep those legs apart. That's it, come on, hold that squat. And twist, twist, twist. Woo. Next, let's take this off, we got star jacks. Don't need that anymore. Star jacks. There you go. All the way out. All the way out, all the way in. Legs and arms simultaneous. There you go. Some cardio here, come on. Next, bench jumps. Go this side. We're gonna go down and jump up. Stand up, up. Stand, back down, up. Now if you're a pro, you can jump up and jump down. Jump up, jump down. Jump up, jump down. 1, up, down. Nice. Plate overhead squats. Take that plate again. We're gonna go up and over. Arms straight up and squat. You can do quarter squat or you can get a full squat, great. Just keep the arms tight. Locked out. Woo, it's tough. Plate, Russian twist. Okay. Down here. Ooh. And hold the plate. Feet up. Crisscross. Applesauce. Plate. Side to side. That's your Russian twist. Come on. Oh, sorry. Woo. Next we got bench hop. I don't know why I stuck that. There's that because that's green. So, hop, hop. You can go fast like this. Just bounce with your toes. Bring your knees into your core tight. That's it. Come on. Ooh, this is tough. Seated plate raises. So, we're gonna sit at the end of the bench right here, and we're gonna go down and up. Down, right up. Down, right up. Down, right up. Down, right up. Oh, that's heavy. Woo. Dips. Get your dip ball right here. So, on the bench, arms here, legs out, and just dip. All the way down, all the way up. Get those triceps grinding right here. All the way down, all the way down. That's it. All the way down. Woo. Last plate, fast core twist. Woo. It's tough with these plates. Should have picked a lighter one, but. So, this you're just doing core plate twist, but try to go fast. So, catch it right here, all the way around, and then catch it. Slow yourself down with your abs. Come on, get closer. Yes. Woo. That is your first round. 2 more to go. Get a break, some water. Woo. Some air. That's your Thursday shred and grind, Thanksgiving Day, Tabata grinder. So, meal the grinding wheel. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Peace out.